My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Your Results. The site related to this extension is yourresult.net. This is the browser hijacking extension that changes a lot of crucial browser settings. In particular, it changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission. So whenever you start submitting certain search queries, you may eventually get the results often by some unfamiliar search engines that have not been chosen by users initially. Typically, these browser redirections depend on various factors. It may depend on the geographical location settings. Whether you have browser redirections or not, if you have this extension, you need to get rid of it. So go to the menu, More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove these unwanted extension. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend you to investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.